Every month, Pawn TV features a particular association member who is going above and beyond expectations, whether it's within the industry or in their community. Here is Pawn TV reporter Michelle Smith with the December edition of Member Spotlight.
Scott Fry and the rest of the staff at Fast Cash are improving the perception of pawn stores one customer at a time. Having been in business for almost 10 years, Scott and his staff are most proud of their loyal customer base and consistent flow of word-of-mouth customer referrals. Their unique approach has paid obvious dividends as Fast Cash has recently moved into a brand new, state-of-the-art 5,000 square foot location. Some of the most fascinating items currently calling Fast Cash home includes a $1,000 bill, Ted Williams autograph Air Force artwork, and a 1980 Olympic hockey team autograph yearbook. Scott Fry believes that the future is bright for both his store and the pawn industry. He firmly believes that the more pawn owners can validate the legitimacy of our industry, the more customers we can get in to do business. Pawn TV is proud to recognize Scott Fry and the staff of Fast Cash for their unwavering commitment to both their customers and the pawn community as a whole.
Research, production, and distribution by OMG National and its Pawn TV division. For a full-service approach to marketing in a self-service world, call, click, or visit OMG National today.